Hey guys, we are going to be unboxing a lot of Shengshous. Shengshou 2x2, Shengshou 3x3, Shengshou 4x4, Shengshou 5x5, and, well, I'm not sure if that's there. I think it's the Shengshou 1x1, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5. I'm not sure about the pyraminx because I ordered that separately. Big box. Oh, it's also the pyraminx. Okay, so let's unbox. We'll start unboxing. Okay, so let's see how the pyraminx is. This is huge to me. It feels like there's magnets in it. There are. Nice. Pyraminx sexy move. I'm twisting a corner. Oops, I twisted it. Just kidding. Seems pretty nice. I like the magnets. You can feel the clicking in a lot. Like, you can actually hear it so much. Oops, and a pop. Nice. Well, not really nice. Let's look at the 2x2 now. This is the Shengshou 2x2. And here's the manual for something. I had to solve it, I guess. Ooh, it actually feels, it seems to turn pretty quickly. I like this. It feels real nice. Let's look at the 3x3 now. And of course, ooh, this looks nice. You can actually feel it from the outside. Speed Edition Original Challenge. Actually, this feels kind of slow at the beginning. It feels slower than I'm used to because the runs I have right now are like this. Which I just did a complete sexy move in like 3 seconds, while this takes a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, see? I think this is a 5x5. Yeah, that's the 5x5. This is a 4x4. Let's open it up. Ugh, this is hard. This is kind of hard to open since it's such a tight fit. And it's out. Yep, that's definitely lubed. Corner cutting. Not a cubit. Half a cubit? Yes. 3/4 of a cubit? Yes. Okay, 3/4 of a cubit is the highest it can go. Reverse? Nope, none at all. Second layer. Corner cutting. Nope. Yes. So a cubit is for the 2-layer corner cutting, and for reverse, 0. There's no reverse at all. No reverse at all. That seems pretty cool. And finally, the 5x5. The almighty 5x5. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna do a review on these in probably like, well, they're all gonna be in different videos since there's so many. And yeah. Ooh, the 5x5 feels really smooth. It's Shengshou, obviously, because I said that in the beginning. Wow. That feels nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't corner cut at all. Can I corner cut this? Nope, can't corner cut on a 5x5 at all. 2 layers? Nope. Wow, this feels really slippery. I like this. It's really thick and really big. Let's see the pyraminx. Sexy move. Oops. Lol. Gonna have to cut that out later on. But you probably won't hear me say that. And yeah. Corner cutting. Oops. 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 2x2. That was just a quick unboxing because there's way too much stuff and I don't want to spend too much time because I really want to start playing with these. And yeah. 4 cubes. Where's this 3x3? There it is. 5. No, not 5. 4 cubes. 4. Oh yeah, 4 cubes. 4 cubes. 1 pyraminx. Yeah. I'm actually surprised at how big a pyraminx is. I've never seen one in real life. That may sound bad, but who cares? Actually, I've seen one in real life before, but who cares? I'm just gonna leave that out. It feels real nice. I like the magnets. I hate that springy noise. Doesn't everyone? Every day I'm corner cutting. Wow. Why'd I say that? Yeah, camera. I'm gonna do a solve on all of these for the reviews, and who cares? And have a nice day. This was a quick unboxing. Cubes. Shengshou. Shengshou, these cubes are really nice, and I like them. That sounded really weird. Who cares? I like them.